Hello everyone. This video is a continuation of Socialism in Europe and Russian Revolution of class 9 part 2. That is the coming up of socialism in Europe. In the last video, we discussed the different groups of people, radicals, conservatives and liberals, who discussed about the change in the society. So this socialism, which was emerged much earlier, how did it spread? How did this come up? Let's discuss. In the mid of 19th century, the idea of socialism attracted widespread attention, and those who followed the idea came to be known as socialists. As we discussed in the last video, socialism means the idea of division of property between all the people equally is socialism. When you divide property between among all the people, where there will be no rich class or sections of societies, that is called socialism. So by the mid of 19th century, the idea of socialism, that is equality of property, land, whatever in the society, attracted widespread attention, and those who followed the idea were known as socialists. So this became very famous. Socialists were the one who followed the idea of socialism. Socialists were against private property. They considered private property was the root of all problems in the society. So basically, socialists who followed socialism didn't wanted private property in the society. They were against the private property. That is, according to them, workers should get the profit and not the industrialist. So hope you came to know what was spreading in 19th century, that is socialism, which means there must be no private property, there must be equal division of profit, equal division of property, equal division of land, irrespective of their potentiality and capability. Therefore, socialists wanted a society as a whole should control the property, not the individual. So a society where it will control the property and not the individual will not control the property. No individual will have property. The society as a whole will have the property. This was the base of socialism. That is, no property in a concentrated hands. Now, who gave the idea of such change or socialism? Who were the people who gave the idea of socialism? There were particular people: Robert Owen, Louis Blanc, Karl Marx and Friedrich Engel. So, how could a society without property be operated? What would be the basis of the socialist society? Were the questions which were being answered by them. So if there is no property in the society, how will the society run? No private property, how will the society run? On what basis the socialist society will be formed? All this was being answered by these people. These questions were discussed by the above philosophers or the socialist. Ideas of Robert Owen and Louis Blanc. Let's discuss the idea of Robert Owen and Louis Blanc. First we'll discuss about Robert Owen. He was born in England. Later he went to USA, set up industries. He set up the industries on the basis of cooperatives. Here you got to remember, Robert Owen gave the idea of cooperatives. Robert Owen believed in the idea of cooperatives. Now what is this cooperatives? Cooperatives means the association or the group of people working together, earn profit and dividing the same profit according to work done. Got the point? Cooperative means it's a group of people or an association of people where they work together, earn profit and divide the same profit among themselves. So this idea of cooperative was given by Robert Owen. He sought to build a cooperative community. That is, he built a cooperative community named New Harmony in Indiana. He had gone to USA, and in a place called Indiana, he set up a cooperative community through collective individual initiation. Means each individual initiated the idea of cooperative community. Then Louis Blanc also had the same idea of cooperative, but he supported government encouraged cooperatives. He said that individuals will not hold the cooperative. We will make a government wherein they will handle the cooperative. That is, he supported government encouraged cooperatives to replace capitalist enterprises. So capitalist enterprises are none but industrialist. According to him, government should be there to facilitate cooperatives. Okay, Louis Blanc also had the idea of cooperatives, but one difference was that he said that government will facilitate the cooperatives. Okay, thus both the socialist Robert Owen and Louis Blanc supported the idea of cooperatives. Now the idea of Karl Marx and Friedrich Engel. They added some more arguments in the idea of socialism. Okay, they gave Robert Owen and Friedrich Engel. Robert Owen and Louis Blanc gave the idea of cooperatives. So they added some few more arguments. Who Karl Marx and Friedrich Engel added a little more ideas and gave the idea of communist society. Who gave? Karl Marx and Friedrich Engel gave the idea of communist society. Karl Marx believed to change the society that went on as follows. So basically how the society was. In an industrial society, that is capitalist, means owner invested capital, money. That is, in an industrial society, owners invested money in the factory. The profit was produced by workers. That is, workers worked hard in the factories, and that profit was enjoyed by the owners. So that is a basic theme of the society. Usually the owners will invest money, workers will work in the society, and the profit will be taken by the owners, and the condition of the workers would remain the same. And one thing was that workers didn't get wages, as you studied earlier. They didn't get proper wages. They got low standard of life. So that they wanted to change. Therefore, Karl Marx wanted to free themselves from capitalist exploitation. So this was going on. Karl Marx wanted a change against this exploitation, industrialist or capitalist exploitation. How changes will be occurred? By overthrowing rule of private property. Unless and until there is private property, then only this private industries will be there. If there is no concept of private property, industrial owners only will not be there. That was the idea of Karl Marx. And how? By overthrowing the rule of private property and controlling the property socially. So overall, Karl Marx gave that no private property will be there and everything will be controlled socially. Means what? Here again it comes cooperatives, and this was called as communist society, which was taken by government. So communist society will be formed with government. That was Karl Marx idea. Then support for socialism. By 1870s, socialist ideas spread through Europe. So the idea of the four legendary people spread throughout the Europe. This socialist was formation of international body which was called as Second International. So the socialist formed a body called Second International. Similar associations were being formed everywhere in the world. So the people who supported socialism started setting up few associations, few parties. They were in Germany, SPD party was formed, that is Social Democratic Party. So it cannot be SDP. Okay, it is SPD only. So in England, Labour Party in 1905, in France, Socialist Party. These socialist association fought for the better living and working condition of the workers, set up funds to help members, demanded a reduction of working hours and right to vote for the workers in the industries. Okay, so this is how socialism was popular in the Europe. However, in 1914, socialists never succeeded in forming a government in Europe. Though their idea was very famous, they did not succeed in forming a government. That is, on the basis of socialist idea, socialism, there was no government being formed. But their idea did shape the legislation. So the idea was roaming around the Europe, and even it shaped the legislation under the government run by conservatives, liberals and radicals. Hope so. Socialism is clear till here. By this, the idea of socialism is clear, I guess. So in the next video, we will be discussing about the Russian Revolution. Please like, share and subscribe. To watch my previous videos of this chapter, click the link given in the description. Thank you.